So guys, this tutorial will be showing you how you can download Minecraft, the paid version. This is not going to be showing you any other methods on how to get it for free or something like that. No, this is going to be how to get it the legit way, the paid version. So for the first step, you're going to head over to any web browser and then search for Minecraft. So now once you're here, you have a few options. So you could either download the launcher right here, or you can get the free trial, or you could also search up buy Minecraft. Scroll down, and now you can buy the Java and Bedrock edition for PC. You can just scroll down. If you want to, you can get the deluxe edition, but you could just scroll down and then get original Minecraft for cheaper. It's going to come with Java edition, Bedrock edition, and the Minecraft launcher. If you don't want to buy it through the website, you could also buy it from the Microsoft Store. So for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you just want to search for Minecraft. Click on it. Now we're going to scroll down. You can purchase the Java and Bedrock edition right here. You could also get the Minecraft launcher from here as well. Scroll down again. There's also some more options such as Minecraft Dungeon for Windows, Deluxe Edition for Bedrock and Java, Minecraft Legends for Windows, and probably some more stuff as well. You could just go through the whole list. And yeah, that's how you do it.